Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a rustic naked cake. Now this style of naked cake is quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for beginners. And as you can see, it creates a beautiful and stunning naked cake. So if you're new to cake baking, this is the perfect tutorial for you. You can make this rustic naked cake with any kind of cake and any kind of frosting. And you don't need any fancy tools to do it, just a spatula. So let me show you how I assembled this gorgeous chocolate raspberry naked cake. And so one of my favorite frostings to use for this type of naked cake is a whipped cream frosting. Today I have chocolate. I love using whipped cream frosting for naked cakes because it's going to give the cake a little bit more height because the frosting is just so fluffy. And it's the perfect use for whipped cream frosting because it doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't matter if it kind of comes out the sides of the layer cake just a little bit. And so this style of naked cake is super easy. All we're going to do is start by putting our first cake layer on our cake plate or cake stand. So we're going to start with our first cake layer, and I always like to place this bottom side down. This is because the bottom of the cake is perfectly flat, so it's going to sit really well against your cake plate or cake stand. And now depending if you guys are doing a 2-layer cake or a 3-layer cake, you want to divide the frosting accordingly. So today I have a 3-layer cake, so we're going to use about 1/3 of the frosting on top of this first cake layer. If you had a 2-layer cake, you would just use half the amount of frosting. So now we're just going to spread this frosting out evenly. And this can be totally freeform and rustic. And so next we're going to add the second cake layer bottom side up. This is because the bottom is straight, so we want that illusion of a straight cake on top. Next we're going to add another 1/3 of the frosting. Then we're just going to spread it out evenly. Next, we're going to add the third cake layer, and you guessed it, bottom side up. This is going to make sure that our cake looks super straight on the top. And then we're going to add the remaining frosting right on top and spread it out evenly. And so today I'm adding fresh raspberries right on top of this cake. And now look at this gorgeous rustic naked cake. And so this style of naked cake I think works the best if you have some kind of fresh fruit topping. It's kind of like lackluster just by itself without anything on top. So I love adding fresh raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. You can even do like a compote or something like that. You could even do fresh banana slices with a little drizzle of caramel, which is something that I love on this style of cake. And it's even delicious with a little bit of chopped up cookies, a drizzle of butterscotch sauce or chocolate ganache. Anything like that on top is just going to give this cake a little bit more visual interest. And it's going to make it look super rustic chic instead of just kind of plain and unfinished. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more baking tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.